Start. This is a petition under Section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure for quashing the criminal complaint filed by the respondent against the petitioner under Section 24 and 27 of the Securities and Exchange Board of India Act 1992. The petitioner was a director in Mr. and Mrs. Fair Deal Forests Limited till 13th March 1997, when she resigned from the directorship and also submitted Form 32 with Registrar of Companies in order to regulate entities which use to issue instruments such as agro bonds, plantation bonds, etc. Government of India decided to treat such schemes as collective investment schemes and brought them under the purview of SEBI Act 1992 with the object of protecting the investors and promoting legitimate investment activity. Securities and Exchange Board of India Regulations, 1999, were thereafter framed by SEBI. Wide its letter dated December 15, 1999, and also by way of a public notice, SEBI directed Mr. and Mrs. Fair Deal Forests Limited, which was operating collective investment schemes and had raised a sum of rupees 5,20,000 from the general public to send an information memorandum to all the investors dealing the states of affairs of the schemes, the amount repayable to each investor, and the manner in which such amount was determined. The information was required to be sent latest by March 31st, 2000. In terms of Regulation 73 of the above referred regulations, the collective investment schemes which failed to apply for registration with SEBI were required to wind up the existing schemes and repay the amount collected from the investors. Regulation 74 required the company to formulate a scheme of repayment and make repayment to the investors in case it was not desirous of obtaining provisional registration from SEBI. Mr. and Mrs. Fair Deal Forest Limited, however, neither applied for registration with SEBI nor did it take steps for winding up the scheme and making repayment to the investors, and thereby violated the provisions of Section 12 of SEBI Act 1992 and Regulation 5. Thereupon, in exercise of powers conferred upon it, SEBI directed the company to refund the money collected from the persons who had invested money in its collective investment schemes within a period of 1 month from the date of the order. However, the company failed to comply with the directions given by the SEBI. The above noted criminal complaint was thereupon filed by SEBI against company and 10 others, including the petitioner Raj Chawla, and there is to be a fair deal to respondent who was stated to be a director of the company and as much person in charge of and responsible to the company for conduct of its businesses in support of his contention that he had resigned as a director of Mr. and Mrs. Fair Deal Forest Limited with effect from 13th March 1997. The petitioner has placed on record the certified copy of Form 32 issued by Registrar of Companies.